This video highlights available accessibility tools you may find useful to use during this course or future online activities. We will show you how to read the text aloud from any website, turn on video captions, and use a dictate tool in Microsoft Word. This example uses the Microsoft Edge browser, and we are using a sample page from one of our online courses. Similar functions will be available in Chrome and other browsers. You may already have the A icon at the top right of your browser, indicating that Read Aloud is available. If not, we will show you how to add it. If it's already there, just click it, and your browser will start reading the page. You can then click any text on the page to indicate what section you would like to be read aloud. When using this tool, a menu will appear at the top of the page. This gives you additional options to configure it according to your preferences. If you do not already have the Read Aloud icon available, you can add this by going to the menu via the three dots at the top right of the browser, scrolling down to More Tools, and selecting Read Aloud. The icon will now appear in your browser. Some of our content is video-based. All of our videos include captions, which you can turn on by hovering over the bottom of the video and selecting the icon. You can also slow down the speed of the video and change your caption settings if required. If your course includes written assignments, consider using the Dictate tool in Microsoft Word to help you type. You will find the Dictate button under the home banner on the right. Just click it to activate and start talking. The Dictate tool in Microsoft Office can save you a lot of time if you are not a very fast typer, or if you have any medical issues such as arthritis. It could be really helpful full stop. You just simply talk into the microphone, usually the microphone in a laptop or iPad is perfectly fine, or if you are using a PC, you may need to buy an external microphone full stop. Using the Dictate function will never be perfect, so it will require you to proofread the text and make any minor amendments before submitting work full stop. You can also use the Read Aloud tool in Microsoft Office by highlighting the text and right-clicking to select Read Aloud. We hope you find these suggestions useful. If you require adjustments or additional support, please get in touch with us.